On behalf of Godley House, we welcome you all to the annual dinner for the outgoing batch of Phase 2. Our chief guest for tonight is Principal HSM College, Dr. Syed Muhammad Turab Hussain. A very warm welcome to you, sir. We shall start off today's proceeding with the recitation and translation from the Holy Quran by Mustafa Afridi.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان فمن شهد منكم الشهر فليصم ومن كان مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر يريد الله بكم اليسر ولا يريد بكم العسر ولتكملوا العدة ولتكبروا الله على ما هداكم ولعلكم تشكرون صدق الله العظيم. The month of Ramadan, in that which was revealed the Quran, a guidance for the people and clear proofs of guidance and criterion. So whoever sights the new moon of the month, let him fast it, and whoever is ill or on a journey, then an equal number of other days. Allah intends for you ease and does not intend for you hardship, and wants for you to complete the period and to glorify Allah for that to which He has guided you, and perhaps you will be grateful. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَى الْبَلَاغُ.
Jazakallah. Our house master, Mr. Zubair Atta, will now present the house report for the term 2024-25.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to the annual dinner of Godley House to bid farewell to the H2 batch 2024-25. And special thanks to the principal and Bursa Saab for making time to grace the occasion with their presence. Thank you, sirs. Though we have managed to win the Sports Cup by the slightest of margins this year, I still feel quite honestly that we have not been up to godly standards. However, I am confident that we will be back at our best in the coming years. As the great Carthage general Hannibal once said, we will either find a way or make one. Here I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of Kelly House. They gave us a run for the money. Very well played, boys. And a round of applause for them, please. Thank you. So moving on, let's celebrate those who have shown excellence in academics, followed by co-curricular and sports. As I call out their names, please stand up so that we can acknowledge you. The following grades are based on the half-yearly exams of December 2024. From H2, Malik Haider Ali, 1 A star and 3 A's. Numeric Badrana, 2 A's and a B. In H1, we have Daud Farooq with 4 A's. Abdul Muqsid, 4 A's and 1 B. And Mohib Nadeem with 3 A's and 1 B and academic blazer holder. Well done, boys. C2 we have Fahad Imtiaz, who's right here next to me, 1A star and 6 A's. And in C1 we have Mustafa Qaim Khani with 5 A stars, 3 A's and 1 B. Well done. In sports, we have secured first position in 7 inter-house competitions, namely water polo, futsal, cricket juniors, basketball open, tug of war, athletics over 16 and under 16. The following boys won sports colors: Ibrahim Qazi, if you could stand up please, gold in football; Ahmed Khan, gold in water polo; Abdul Hasib, silver in water polo; Hardos Donkey, silver in football and gold in hockey; Mohib Nadeem, silver in basketball; and Mohammad Faisal, gold in hockey. Well done, boys. Now all these accolades that we won could not have been achieved without the unflinching support and commitment of all, starting with the headmistress, obviously, Ma'am Amna Kamran, the deputy headmaster, Dr. Muhammad Kamran, all the teachers, counselors and sports coaches. Now special thanks to Mr. Muhammad Ali, who's the assistant house master at Godley House, for his dedication and commitment to the house and well-being of all the boys. Thank you, sir. And we cannot forget to thank the unsung heroes of Godley House, the house bearers, chachas, cleaners, and the dining room staff, without whom the house would come to a standstill. Their commitment and dedication is commendable. A round of applause for them, please. Thank you. Special mention here to the gardens and grounds staff working under Aslam Saab, workshop staff working under Shahzad Saab and the Shahbaz Saab, who is the purchase manager, and they're the ones who make all of this happen. Without their cooperation, not much can be accomplished in the boarding houses. So thank you all. Now moving on to the H2s, a lot of them have received offers from universities in US and UK, and these include NYU, NYU in Shanghai, University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, Queen Mary, Leeds, DePaul University, Cardiff, and many more. So congratulations, boys. At the end, my message to the H2s. First of all, I would like to wish you all the best in your life. This is the first step towards a successful and bright future, inshallah. But in order to do that, you must be committed and disciplined. There are no shortcuts in life. And more importantly, you should strive to be good and decent human beings who can show kindness and empathy towards others. Remember, life is a boomerang, and the way you treat others will come back to you in kind. Now that you're about to embark on this great leap forward, you must understand the importance of education. The time that you have spent in this great institution must count for something. As Helen Keller said, that the highest result of education is tolerance, and may I add, humility. And I would like to end with a quote from Albert Einstein, who said that try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, sir. Every year, we honor the boys who have outdone themselves in their respective fields. In our prize-giving ceremony today, we shall start with the students who excelled in academics, followed by co-curricular and then sports. As I call out the names of prize winners, you are requested to please come up and receive your certificates from the worthy principal. Sir, may I request you to please come up and present the winners with their certificates. Thank you, sir.
Starting with academics for H2, Malik Haider Ali 1A star, 3 A's. Numeric Badrana 2 A's, 1 B. From the H1s we have Daud Farooq 4 A's. Abdul Muqsid 4 A's, 1 B. Mohib Nadeem 3 A's, 1 B and recipient of the academic blazer. From C2 we have Fahad Imtiaz 1 A star, 6 A's. And from C1s we have Mustafa Kain Khani, 5 A stars, 3 A's, 1 B.
In co-curriculars, Malik Haider secured third position in English poetry recitation. Harun Rafiq secured second position in Urdu declamation, third position in Urdu poetry recitation. Godley House also secured second position in inter-house drama competition. May I invite Muhib Nadeem to collect the award.
Now for the sports team prizes, I request the captains of the respective teams to collect the certificate on behalf of the whole team. For water polo, may I call Ali Hamdan. For futsal, Haidos Dunki. For cricket juniors, Shayar Yunus. For basketball open, Harun Rafiq. For athletics over 16, Mohammad Faisal. And for athletics under 16, Azan Afzal. For tug of war, Mohib Nadeem. Following boys are requested to come up and receive their certificates for their individual achievements from the principal. Mir Wais Khan for first position in cricket ball throw over 16, second position in discus throw and first position in shot put. Shayar Yunus for first position in cricket ball throw under 16.
This is when 2 years
I would now like to call upon the house master to come up and announce the recipients of the most prestigious award of Godley House. Victor Ledoran for the best leading boy, Victor Ledoran for the best leading sportsman, and the Godley House Cup for the best leading boy. We would also request the principal and Administrative Senior School Ma'am Amna Kamran to accompany the house master. Thank you.
Gee, we'll start with Victor Ledoran. Did you win that?
I won the God House.
You got the award, yes. All right, we won't make anybody wait here. This year, the recipient of Victor Ledoran, it's being shared by 2 boys who are most instrumental in having us win the Sports Cup. So I would like to ask Mir Wais Khan and Ibrahim Qazi to please come up and receive the cup. Now for the Godley House Cup, I would like to ask Malik Haider to come up to the stage, please. Thank you.
Zabardast, right? Your name is for your grandkids to spot it. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I would now request Haidos Dunki of H1 to come up and express his feelings regarding the leaving batch of H2.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Respected principal, esteemed teachers, and most importantly, the farewell batch of Godley House. It is an absolute honor to stand here today and address this remarkable group of students, our seniors, our friends, and our brothers. Today, we celebrate not just the end of an era, but the beginning of a new journey. One filled with infinite possibilities, challenges, and of course, the spirit of Godley House that will always stay with you. This evening is more than just a farewell. It's a moment to celebrate the journey you have all been on together. A journey filled with memories, friendships, and an unbreakable bond that only those who have lived within these walls can truly understand. Godley House is not just a place, it's a family. It's the late night talks, the shared struggles, and the endless laughter, and the silent moments when a simple pat on the back was enough to say, I've got you. It's waking up every morning knowing that no matter what the day brings, you are surrounded by people who will stand by you through it all. You have built something here that goes beyond the years spent at HSN. This brotherhood does not end when you walk out of these gates. It stays with you. In every call you make to an old roommate, in every reunion where you pick up right where you left off, in every moment you find yourself thinking, I wish the boys were here. For us juniors, this farewell is bittersweet. We have looked up to you not just as seniors but as older brothers, the ones who showed us the way, who made this house feel like home when we were still finding our place. You were the ones who had our backs when we messed up, who made us laugh when the days felt long, and who reminded us that no matter what, we were part of something greater than ourselves. The thought of walking these corridors without you feels strange, almost empty. But if there's one thing you have taught us, it's that Godley is never just about who's here at any given moment. It's about the bonds we built and the memories that stay with us long after we leave. I will never be able to forget those moments when we sat together, sometimes having a laugh or playing Monopoly, or even sometimes getting scolded when we messed up something. I will never be able to get over when Ibrahim Kazi moaned like a child in the middle of Godley Field over getting tackled, being hospitalized, and then walking in the corridor fit than ever before. In C1, half of my energy went into playing sports, and the other half of it went into bringing apple juice from Dean's for Sir Rasheed multiple times a day. And I will miss the always entertaining feuds between Mirwais and Abdul Basit over random baseless stuff. As you move on to new adventures, remember that the world will throw challenges your way. But if Godley has taught you anything, it's that you never face them alone. The friendships you have made here will be your greatest strength, your support system, and your reminder of where you come from. So, to the graduating batch of Godley House, thank you for the memories, the lessons, and the legacy of brotherhood you leave behind. No matter where life takes you, this will always be home. You will always have a place here, and remember that nothing can set Godley blood apart. Thank you.
A montage of the memories that are accumulated over these years and shall carry on for the rest to come, for the outgoing batch is now in order.
बड़ी जवानी सी बचा के रखे हमने ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के चलते वो दिन क्या दिन थे क्या दिन थे क्या दिन थे क्या
I would now like to call Muhammad Ahmed Khan of age 2 to express his feelings regarding the leaving batch of Gorle 25.
Assalamu alaikum, Honorable Principal, heads of schools, faculty, and my fellow students. We are absolutely honored to host you all today at Gorle House. This year has been marked by great memories for all four batches of our house, from working together as a team in sports events to preparing speeches and presentations in co-curricular events. I would like to thank all my batchmates and juniors for their hard work and cooperation, particularly highlighting their high spirits to make this house excel. Having begun my boarding journey in K6, I remember myself being confused and lost in a new world. Initially, I was nervous and anxious, but my batchmates and my housemaster made me feel at home. I still remember how Sir Sajid used to keep us gated whenever we did something wrong and would attempt to run away as soon as he'd walk away until numeric, being the self-made monitor, would report our names. The shift to senior school initially felt daunting, but was made smooth and seamless by my seniors, who not only encouraged me to excel in sports, but also supported me in all my difficult times. Coming to C1, the first and foremost thing my seniors told me was to never compromise on three essential values of Gorle House: unity, respect, and punctuality. These values have been the guiding factor for me, not just in Ixon, but in my life. I am glad to have learned so much from my batchmates. We have always strived to learn from each other and help each other out in any way possible, though we still haven't been successful in teaching numeric how to walk straight. I look back at times my batchmates and I would approach Sir Zubair with different reasons to go out of campus, though we all end up at Mir Biber's house. C2 was short-lived but a wonderful time. I often reflect on our post-study sessions that will last until Sari concerning about next year's sports cup. Unfortunately, from a batch of 11, only 5 of us were left to continue our journey through the Gorle House. H1 began with a shock since most of my batchmates who have been an integral part of my life had left. However, I made memorable friendships with new admissions in H1. I would like to reflect on my friendships with each and every one of them, starting with Darab, known as Ada Sain, the Ronak of Gorle House. Hasib, the Bobo of our batch, known for quickly changing gears in difficult situations. Or Hasib, Faisal ka package kab dega. Mufti, sometimes known as Abdullah, his dressing sense remains a question for us all. One of his qualities being that no one has ever proven him wrong. Mary Badrana will remain a mystery unsolved. Mir Beaver, known for his love for Murgabi, and Saad Yaqub for his bonding with Sir Zubair. Bashir Khan Jakrani, known for his photography skills. And Arbaz Khosa, the last of his kind at Ipsen. Qazi, the most fragile piece of Godley House, and Murad, our dinner time friend. Ahsan, young Sheridan of our batch, and Heather, always pampered by his friend's father. Raja from Sargoda city, and Hafiz, the disco mullah of Godley House. And of course, Mirwais and DG, known for their endless fights in corridors. I thank you all for making my time at Godley House special and memorable. Last but not least, I would like to thank Chacha Munawar, Chacha Jameel, and Chacha Mahboob for their constant support. I wish all my juniors only the best and never compromise on the values of your house. Always make Godley your first priority. हम Godley से हैं, Godley हमसे नहीं. Many people before us have owned this name, and this circle shall continue as tomorrow someone else would own the name, making all of us temporary, but the name Godley shall remain. I am hoping that you continue the glorious legacy of Godley House. Finally, I thank Allah what we have accomplished, and without Allah's blessing, we could not have done anything, and Allah is the best of the planners. Thank you.
The leaving batch is now requested to present the memorabilia to the house master.
यहाँ सारे खड़े हो जाओ गोल के आगे काजी एक मारो इधर आ जाओ इधर लाश किसकी है
The each one will now present souvenirs to the leaving batch of Phase 2. May I invite Haidus Dunki, Mohit Nadeem and Harun Rafiq to present the souvenirs.
नीचे बढ़ आओ भाई जल्दी से प्रेजेंट दो इनको तुम इधर आओ लेके तुम भी दोनों साथ करो ले आओ बेटा जल्दी से इधर आओ बॉयज तुम आगे देते जाओ Passing the cushion. ऊपर वाला नहीं उठा नहीं ऊपर वाला नहीं उठा वो आगे आ जाना बेटा इस साइड पे आओ अपनी तस्वीर खिंचवाओ क्या कर रहे हो गए एक लेस होगा मुराद का नहीं होगा चलो यहाँ नीचे रख साइड यहाँ नीचे रख दो नीचे रख दो बस शर्म क्यों आ रही है
The house master will now present a souvenir to the principal and headmaster senior school on behalf of Godley House.
ये ऊपर वाला तो ये उसके नीचे एक फाद जी सर
We were expecting swords, guns.
you already had
Maybe an
them
artillery gun.
so we
this
did
time.
something very different
Oh, very nice. This is really nice. Very well. Very tasty.
number one
Very nice.
This is.
Oh wow, excellent. Hey, Godley House. Zabardast. This is very good.
This is number 3.
Wow. And the Godley, wow. I am completely floored, sir. Thank you very much.
And you might have this, but this is a Koga. Oh, that's another one.
Thank you so much.
Very nice,
This is
sir.
truly an honor.
A good combination.
Amen, madam.
नहीं वो बच्चे करते हैं ये पकड़ो बेटा सर की टेबल पे रख के आओ और मैम आपके लिए वी गॉट के गॉडले हाउस
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
आपके घर में भी बहुत अच्छी बात